Hey guys, it's Andre, and I thought really quick, I have a couple of minutes. Bennett's sleeping and Nick's holding him, and then we're gonna watch a movie and I'm gonna cook dinner. So figured I'd film my B6 setup really fast. It's gonna be fairly quick because it's pretty basic. This is a Foxy Fix with the coconut leather, sugar coconut, I think that's what it is, with white stitching, white elastics. I have a little charm on the front that I got at Michael's. It was in like the jewelry charm section. It's like a birthstone one, but I just liked it because it was pink. Whenever you open her up, I have the secretarial pocket over here. I should have got the card pocket, but I'm not too smart. And then again, secretarial with the pen loop, which I'm glad I got a pen loop on this one. So let's go ahead and flip through this. Most of the things are from the birthday TN kit. I did release this 3 times, and then I'm going to do an a la carte sale, which I did similarly to Rose's, which that's what I'm going to do in a couple of weeks or so, like depending on when I can get everything together. And then whenever the a la carte sale is done, whatever's left I'll make into kits and put those up as like a final kit sale. So let's get into it. So the first thing I have over here is just a little deco sheet. This is from Pigeon Paper Company, and it just has pink little champagne bottles and little champagne glasses, which I thought kind of matched the kit, so I just popped that in there. Then I do have some of these clips throughout. These are from Canco XOXO. They are the gold mini wide paper clips. So cute. I think I ordered or need to order her larger ones. I have the little card that says Make-A-Wish from the kit, along with the vinyl die cut and the balloons. I think for the next TN kit, I'm going to do 1 vinyl die cut and then glossy like cardstock die cuts for the rest of them. I did like print tests, and the glossy cardstocks are actually better as far as print quality, and then I can give you guys a lot more of them, but you're still gonna get like 1 vinyl die cut just because I think it's fun to have to like put on your laptop later or whatnot. But that is a little bit of a heads up for the next kit, which is pretty much done. I just have to kind of like get everything all assembled. Then over here I have a piece of paper from the kit, all of the dashboards, which these dashboards are the B6 number 5 dashboard from Foxy Fix, because this is a B6. I do have a glitter A on here. I did get 2 of these. I do have one in my pocket as well, which I am going to do a flip through of this. If I have time, I might do it next. If not, I'll do it in a week or so. But I did get this from Hobby Lobby, and I got it from the iron-on section instead of the sticker section. Sometimes they have different like designs and things like that, and I just use a glue runner as I would with a lot of other things. So I did do the same thing that I did in my pocket planner, and I did adhere all of the tabs with some Simply Gilded Bow Washi. This is the baby pink with the gold bows. I did use the tabs that come in the kit, and I did use the stickers that come in the kit. I had used the Planner Society ones before, but I actually really think I like the white ones better, just because you can see a lot easier the tab names. It's like a lot clearer than having a clear sticker with the gold. I really do like the way that looks, but I think that this works out a little bit better for me. So I did have this gold paper clip on here. I saw these on Jasenia's or the Planner Sophisticate setups. And then in here, I haven't filled this out yet, but I have like data that I want to put in here, and this is gonna be my workout log. And every day, or you know, I'm gonna try for 5 out of 7 days of the week, I'm gonna try and go on the treadmill and then like incorporate other like activities like as I go on, but I'm starting out small. So I'm gonna just put in like how long and how far I went. Right now I'm only going like 1.5 miles in around 20-25 minutes because I'm slow, and that's where I'm starting, but that's okay. But I have data I need to put in here, and I just put a little die cut on the corner. I might go ahead and actually stick it on here just for decoration, but I might also just wait and see if I can get some other deco in here. But I thought this looked really cute, considering I might not want to put this on like a weekly, but I think the monthly, since you only usually move this once a month, I think that looks really nice there. This insert is from So Much Crafting, and it is the month on 2 page Monday through Sunday. Then I just left it blank. I did leave this kind of blank. I feel like with the pocket, it's really easy to kind of like stuff it and like make it look really like crazy, and I really like it. But I think with the B6, because it's so big, it's just, I like the more simple, plain look. I just think it looks chic, and especially because that's like a planner I carry everywhere, which you'd think that the opposite, like I'd want that one to be easy and this one to be crazy, but I just like this to be very plain because it is just where I'm like tracking like home things. So I left this one plain, and then I put the double-sided girl card on here with just one of the papers on the back. Again, left this one plain, and then I do have a weekly tracker which I am using for meal planning. I haven't been doing too well on this game. I did do really well for these couple of days, but we actually haven't been to the grocery store because every time that we want to go, it's really like a non-opportune time to like get a newborn out and like go, just because there's so many people and it's like flu season. But I did use these week on 2-page horizontal, I think that's what this is called, week on 2-page no grid, week on 1-page no grid, January to June, and I did just draw lines in here. How I drew the lines is I actually took my Erin Condren ruler and lined it up, like lined up this edge with that line and drew a line, lined it up and drew a line, and then I put breakfast, lunch, and dinner. And I have a little peach plum on here. I'm not sure what color this is. It was one of her new releases recently. And then what I have on the back here, I saw this from Maria of Two Little Bees, did a little pocket with notes, and I just foiled these, and I can go ahead and write my meal plan on here, take a little piece of paper out and write my grocery list on it. And this actually is the perfect size. I can actually probably take off a couple of lines for my grocery list. I usually write it in 2 columns, and I did adhere a sticky pocket. I believe this one is one of the dollar spot ones, maybe? I think so. One of the Target dollar spot ones. So super cute. And then I just put one of the vinyl die cuts in here just for decoration. I then have another piece of paper with another Fashion Girl card. This is a card that is currently in the shop as a 3-pack for the girls from Marvelous, yes. This kit right here. And you can pick those up. If you did order recently from the main shop, you might have gotten one of these in your order, one of the 3 girls. So I really thought this looked super cute with these colors. It's a little bit darker of tones, but they're kind of the same as far as the like color hues are kind of similar, if that makes sense. And the gold looks really pretty together. This is my favorite paper from the whole entire collection with the presents. This is also the birthday kit and the January mystery are exclusive art, so you won't find this anywhere else. And then this is a custom lister. This one I might actually remove because I do have this, which is a cleaning tracker, which I did haul, but I don't know if that'll be up beforehand. And this is from the 1407 planners. This is week of, but I mentioned in that haul that I kind of would use this more as like a monthly tracker, because I don't think like in a week I have this many like laundry tasks or like kitchen tasks. Like I'd want to kind of like focus on specific areas per month. So that's just me though. But I also really do like the list, so I'm not really sure which one I want to keep in, but I will decide on that. And this one is from the 1407 planners. I do have this same insert, but pocket size in my pocket, and I like using this for like little lists, but I don't think that this is super functional in this planner for what this planner is for, so I might remove it. Then I just have another plain piece of paper, and then on this side I do have a Holly Nichols print. This was from her Christmas card collection. I thought this matched really, really well with the kit. It's a little warmer, but it works. And then I do have a notes section, which I don't have anything in here as well. I don't know which one I want to take out, but I definitely do want to take out one of these. I think I might actually take out the notes, but I don't know. I'm not sure yet. But I have to like kind of decide what I'm going to be using it for. And then on the back here, I just put the bouquet die cut. And then I have another one of those gold clips with a journaling card. Another thing about the next kit is there's going to be a lot more journaling cards, along with a lot more die cuts. I think I am also doing acetate and vellum, and maybe another specialty paper, but I don't know yet. That I'm still deciding on. But there's gonna be a lot in the next kit, and I'm really, really excited for it. Then I have another journaling card here and a Clever Gal Crafts Sophie Pink with gold foil bows, which actually she's having a shorty sale soon, which I need to keep looking. But then I just have a Pen Gems pen, which is the Aspen. I think it's like the signature. No, Autographs Gold, I think. I'm not sure. But that's everything. Super simple. If you guys want to see a setup whenever I change this next, I think I might change it for the next kit. I'm not sure. Oh, no, I'm not, because I'm going to have a separate planner that I'm going to be setting up with that I'm so excited about. But I hope you guys like this setup. Let me know if you guys want to see more. I do eventually want to do like an actual setup video where I set up ATN with you. I just want to get like really good at it, but I really love this. I think it's so pretty. I love the way that it turned out, so simple. On the like contrasting side, I will have a setup of this bad boy, which is my my Snow Lush. Oh, she's so pretty. I love her so much. She's everything. I love everything about this planner. I think she turned out so pretty and so beautiful and chunky and just perfect. So I'll definitely be doing a flip through of this very soon. But I hope you guys like this video, and let me know if you have any questions in the comments down below. Otherwise, I'll talk to you guys in my next one.